Ever struggled with keeping your car spotless on the go? Tired of stains, spills, and dirt taking over your car seats and floor mats? What if I told you there's a portable solution designed to make car cleaning quick and easy? Let's explore its features, performance, and why it stands out. BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Car Cleaner is your ultimate cleaning companion. About product. Inside the box, you got trial-sized formula permanently, which removes tough stains, eliminates odors. You can spray, scrub, and suction with the 3 Tough Stain tool. Hydro Rinse Self-Cleaning Hose Tool that easily rinse out your machine's hose after every use. Through Spraying Crevice Tool, cleans tight, hard-to-reach areas such as stairs, upholstery crevices, and auto interiors. It includes power switch, tank release latch, collection or dirty tank, flex hose clip, vacuum flex hose, and solution or clean tank. On the back side, it features a tough stain brush, a quick-release cord wrap, a power cord, a hose grip, a bracket latch, and a vacuum flex hose storage bracket. Assembly. Assembling your Little Green is a simple process. Firstly, slide the flex hose clip's back plate into the front opening of the unit until it snaps into place. Slide the vacuum flex hose storage bracket's lower plate into the back opening of the unit, aligning the screw holes. Insert screw and tighten with a screwdriver. Wrap flex hose around unit and place hose grip into bracket. Turn bracket latch counterclockwise to lock in place. How to use. Let's talk about how to use it. Press the power button to turn it on, and then press the spray trigger. First of all, remove the clean tank and unscrew the cap, then fill the clean water tank with warm water and BISSELL cleaning solution, and then spray the solution onto the stained area while scrubbing with the built-in brush. After scrubbing, use the suction feature to extract the dirty water, repeating as needed for deep cleaning. Maintenance and care. After cleaning, unplug the power cord and empty the dirty tank. Remove the tank by lifting the release latch, then rinse it. Disconnect the cleaning tool from the spray trigger, rinse it under running water, and check the nozzle for debris, cleaning if needed, and then wrap the power cord around the back cord wrap. Then coil the vacuum hose around the base and secure the spray trigger. Store unit in protected, dry area at room temperature. Warnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching!